So interesting, we have here train number 133 sitting and waiting for its departure clearance, and we've got this SD70ACU, and I've got here a Kansas City Southern unit SD70ACe. So they're very similar locomotives, both built from EMD. I know this one was built in London, Ontario, and probably the other one was built at Lagrange in Illinois. Not quite sure exactly, but I know they had a plant in Lagrange. Their current plant is in Muncie, Indiana. It's Wabtec, I think, that builds them now. But these locomotives were built in the 2000s, late, I guess, early 2010s actually. Yeah, so I'm just waiting for this train to move out. Should be moving out soon.